You're getting tired of your layabout life. Is that Mother Nature calling you? You're sick and tired of waking up with the feeling that there's something more out there to do. There's another way to be. We can all be free. Come along with me, we're running wild. Past the fences and cages. Wild. Past the end of the tracks. We ain't coming back, we're running wild. I can't believe what I'm seeing.
Someone left behind a can of fluffy, buffy whipped cream. Fluffy, buffy whipped cream is like a fluffy, buffy whipped dream for your mouth.
Dibs! Oh, Minnie, I get it. Dibs, dibs! Oh. Woohoo! Show me the sugar. I regret nothing.
Ah! Enemy sneak attack!
Hey, Weenie, make sure you get my good side. Oh, wait a minute. They're all my good side. Ha! What the? You saved my life.
Oh, yeah, that's the stuff.
You saved my life!
Actually...
You know what the Buck Code says about this? The Buck Code is an ancient set of rules that all alpha males like me follow. Never apologize, even if you're wrong. Always talk louder than everyone because your ideas are always better. When in doubt, always flex, because does love the flex.
Yeah, that Buck Code sounds kind of lame.
According to the rules of the Buck Code, saving someone's life is the ultimate act of bravery and self-sacrifice. Elliot, I, Ian Deere, owe you a life debt.
Elliot, if you don't want to get involved in all this Buck Code nonsense, you gotta tell Ian you didn't save him on purpose.
And why would I do that? Look, ever since Ian and I have known each other, he's always taken the spotlight. This code is giving me a chance to be the top buck for once. Just for a little while, to see how it feels.
Uh-huh. I just want to say that this is a terrible plan, and when it all goes wrong, I'll have front row seats to the chaos.
What do you mean exactly by life debt?
A life debt is a solemn oath to serve the person who saved your life, and it shall not end until the favor is returned in kind. Basically, whatever you want, I have to do it.
Whatever I want, huh? Yeah. Yep. Saving your life totally made my hoofies tired.
We don't want to attract the attention of a pack of wild barrelopes. Half bear, half jackalope, fierce bears with sharp antlers. That would be bad, and I can't let anything bad happen to you.
Oh, relax. There's no such thing as barrelopes. Now, let's go. I need to get my steps in. I detect notes of sandalwood, vanilla, earthworm. Nope, not apple juicy enough. I guess I should have stuck with the juice box.
So how much honey do you need?
Enough to fill my bathtub. I want to take a nice, relaxing honey soak.
Wait, that's a hornet's nest. They don't make honey.
Out! Sting! Shoot! Thorns! Ow! Pierce! Ow!
Okay, Elliot, you had your fun.
Actually, Boog, my fun cup's only half full. Or is it half empty? Either way, who am I to mess with the Buck Code?
You're treating Ian as bad as he used to treat you.
Oh, yeah. I mean, isn't it great?
Whoa, what happened to you?
Took me all night, but look. Elliot wanted me to pick out all his ticks and organize them by height, weight, and bite strength.
Don't you think it seems a little weird that Elliot saved your life?
Oh, man. How didn't I see it? Elliot did something completely out of character. He must really love this big buck. That's it. I gotta seriously level up. From now on, nothing's hurting my little buddy.
Okay, Sandwich, let's do this.
That lunch meat might be expired. I need to make sure it's okay. It's good. Want me to feed it back to you?
No, it's yours now.
No! I can't let that spider fall into his mouth. Or his ears. It could lay eggs and cause his brain to explode. Gotta keep him safe.
Huh?
Shh. Don't worry. Ian's here.
Nothing like starting the day off with a little dip in the lake.
Stop! You're lucky I stopped you. There could be sharks in the lake.
But this is an inland lake. There's no way sharks can be in it.
Sharks are apex predators. They can appear anywhere. They're like the barrelopes of the sea. Oh no, what if there's barrelopes around too?
But there's no such thing as a barrelope.
You'll be safe in here. A log is like nature's bubble wrap.
Boog! Oh, you gotta help me. Ian is taking this code thing way too seriously. He is protecting me 24/7. Oh, I can't get 1 second of peace.
Looks like it's time for you to come clean and end this mess.
Oh, I can't. Ian says according to the buck code, taking credit for saving someone's life when you really didn't is the worst thing a buck bro can do. If Ian ever found out, he would use tweezers to pluck every hair from my body. What am I gonna do?
Well, if you want to get everything back to normal without fessing up, how about we put you in the middle of some real fake danger?
Yes! Then Ian can save me and make things all even Stevens. Fixing a lie with another lie. Oh, what could possibly go wrong?
Okay, Elliot, I think we have enough empty cans to make you a suit of armor. You never know when a lightning storm might hit.
Ian, help! Barrelope attack!
Hopefully Ian thinks that your remote control wood chipper is a real barrelope.
Don't worry. I'll make sure it's as realistic as possible.
Don't worry, little buddy, I got you.
Ian, you saved my life!
No, that barrelope has your scent. It won't leave you alone until he devours you piece by piece. There's only one option. We need to chase it out of here.
No, it's fine. You saved my life according to the code. We're even Stevens. Let's move while we're ahead.
Don't worry, we got it exactly where we want it.
We did it! Ian, you saved my life.
I did? Are you sure? It was a dangerous situation, and you are safe now, so maybe.
Eep.
Don't worry, Elliot, I got you.
Ouch!
I think we're safe now. More barrelopes.
They're an actual thing? Oh, there's no way out.
You know, Elliot, I always thought you were a big loser. I mean, the biggest, like a super-duper mega loser.
Strange time to bring this up.
But spending all this time with you, I've started to think of you as one of my best bros.
One of your best bros? You know, since we don't have much time left, I gotta tell you, I kinda didn't save your life. I had so much fluffy, puffy whipped cream in my eyes, I didn't even know what happened. Pretty funny, right, best bro? Best bro?
You lied about saving me?
Ooh.
Well, I would've tried to save you if I saw what was happening. Probably.
Time for the tweezering. Oh, right.
Dinner time's over, you filthy beast!
That Barrelope King is the Alpha. It's gonna come for us next.
Relax, Ian. It's not a real barrelope. We made it so you could save me from it.
Wait, you lied about that too?
It's got a mind of its own now!
Oh, that's not good.
I guess this is what happens when you make a wood chipper a central part of your plan!
This is all your fault.
Technically, it's both our faults.
I got you.
Boog, you just saved our lives.
I guess I did. And you know what the buck code says about that.
Luckily, all Boog wanted us to do was get rid of this butt code. Right, best bro?
You missed a spot.
Yep, looks like things are back to normal.